Okay, so this is what I was talking about on the phone. We have this inbound thing here. And if that's not there, see, you can see like what's inbound. And if that's not there, you just go here or here and click that. And then you can, if it's not checked off, then you check it off and you basically will have it in there. I would do that on both accounts too. The other thing on Price Checker 2, if you could take this off right here, I'm not sure if it's gonna, because I thought mine was off and it came up with this where it says cost 50%. If you could just put in there NA, and if it doesn't do that globally or it doesn't change it back, you're just gonna have to go in there every time if you can remember to change that. Because then what happens is it puts that in there, and then it could get confusing to me, like which one is the actual cost. So any questions, let me know. Thank you.